Want to captivate your audience? Stick around. I will show you how to make amazing image carousel in PowerPoint. In this video, you will learn how to create eye-catching image carousel animation that will take your presentation to the next level. Let's get started. First, go to Insert, click on Picture and insert 5 to 6 images. Deselect the first image, then and resize the other images to 3.5 cm. Align the image to the middle and center using the Align tool. Distribute them horizontally for a clean, organized look. Select all images. Add a picture border and increase the width for a polished finish. Insert a rectangle shape. Drag it like this and remove the outline. Set the fill color to black with 45% transparency for a subtle overlay. And add information about the highlighted bird. Duplicate the slide. Select image and duplicate it using Ctrl+Shift. Reduce its size and place it outside the slide. Shift the text box to the left and add information about the highlighted bird. Select the second image and drag it to fill the entire slide. Shift all images to the left. Go to Transition and select Morph for a smooth animation. Duplicate the slide again and repeat the process to create 3 more slides. Each slide will highlight a different image, creating a seamless carousel effect. Finally, click Slideshow to see your stunning image carousel in action. And that's it. With just a few steps, you have created an amazing image carousel animation in PowerPoint. It's easy, fast, and perfect for any presentation. If you enjoyed this tutorial, check out my other video for more PowerPoint tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments how you are planning to use image carousel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more creative PowerPoint hacks. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.